Okay, who do we have here?
Hi.
What's going on?
Oh, we're at the park.
Uh-huh.
Sunday morning.
What is it?
The 23rd.
August
August
23rd,
23rd.
2015.
Who's this gentleman?
Look at my
Oh.
James.
Okay, Micah's helping out James.
James, you're almost at the top.
This is cousin James.
Yeah, James.
And there's Bodie. This is the day after Bodie's biggest meltdown he's ever had in his life. He,
This is the aftermath.
yeah, tantrum so hard that he was trying to puke. It was very disturbing. Bodie's our more challenging toddler, very fiery. There's Gaby. Gabe,
Gabe, careful.
you're on. Gabe, I'm taking a video. Oh, here's Bodie. He's all good cheer today. You doing it? You want to be on camera doing this? Okay, go ahead. Whoa, that's fast, huh? You want to do it, Gaby? We stayed in the garage at Aunt Melissa's. They have it fixed up. All family was in there. Oh, Micah's doing great with cousin James. Uh-huh, you want to do again? You did that one? You want to go down this slide, Gaby, that Bodie's on?
Hey guys, this is a free slide. Nobody knows about it but me.
There's Beth and Lauren. A lot of boys. James. You could go down this one, the blue one.
Gabe, you want to go on this slide? You go on this one. I'll go next to you.
They got their own slides.
And we are the only ones who know about it. Oh, I need to help James. Wait, guys, James. James, wanna come up?
Uh-oh, here's some grunting. Uh-oh, Beth. I hear something over here.
Got this. Extremely
Focused. Beth,
jump.
I hear some grunting over here.